everybody, Don here again. Well, it is about 9 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, December 7th. I'm on my way to Northwest Ohio and CJ's farm. Just approached Rochester, New York. I'm on the thruway, and we just came through a heavy patch of lake effect snow. It's about 31 degrees, and the highway crews are out salting the roads heavy. So, yeah, not quite halfway there, but hoping to be there about 4 o'clock this evening. I left the house about 3 a.m. Long drive. Man, that's a long-ass drive. Hey, good morning, everybody. Don here again, coming to you from the Rut Hut on CJ's farm in Northwest Ohio. It is Friday, the 8th of December. I rolled in last night about 4:30 after a 13 and a half hour drive, I guess, and I had a great time last night. Hung out with CJ, Lori, and CJ's buddy Matt is up for the weekend. So it was awesome to get a chance to meet him, the gnome. So we had a really good time last night. I'm in the Rut Hut for two reasons. Number one, this is a very sentimental blind for me because last year, this is where I shot the big buck they called Crabby. Man, dandy buck. I'll show you a picture if you missed it. The second reason is the barn is right there, 200 yards away. And after a long drive and a fun night of shooting the breeze and catching up and having a few adult beverages, when I got up this morning, I just wanted to come to the closest blind, and that's this one. I haven't seen anything, and I'm about ready to call it a morning. It's about 9 o'clock. I've been out here since about 25 minutes before legal shooting light. And I haven't seen anything, but I'm really not surprised because the Ohio gun season just ended Sunday, and the local deer population took a beating. I think so far this year, CJ says they've taken 8 deer off the farm. CJ shot a dandy buck right here in the Rut Hut early on in the season, October 30th, the same day that I shot my buck last year. Matt took a beautiful 10-pointer. I think it scores like 145 inches. Gorgeous, gorgeous buck. And then Lori shot a really nice 8-point buck herself. And then I think CJ also shot a meat doe. So that's 4 deer just between them. And then last week during the gun season, he had a bunch of friends over, and I think in the course of the week they pulled off 4 more does. So that's 8 deer off of his farm. His farm is only 40 acres, but it's surrounded by state land. And the state land probably got pounded pretty good as well. But I don't think there's a lack of deer, but the local herd probably takes some time to settle back in after the gun season. I know that's the way it is in New Hampshire. But man, just a beautiful, beautiful morning. Probably 30 degrees this morning. On its way to, I think, 54. We got a lot planned for today. I'm going to hunt in the burr box this evening. I'm probably only going to hunt 4 sets, 2 today and 2 tomorrow. I don't know if I'll hunt on Sunday or not. Hopefully I'll tag something and I won't have to, and then we can just hang out and do some other non-hunting related stuff. But yeah, going to be a good time. We'll see you tonight from the burr box. Trail that comes right out of the thicket. A little bit of corn spread out there, but not a whole lot. And up we go. All right, everybody. It's Friday afternoon. My second set of the hunt. I'm in the burr box, which is the farthest back in the corner on CJ's property. The small pond is right over here. There's an old food plot in front of me, a little bit of corn. There's a regularly used deer trail going into the thicket over here. There's another one through the tall grass over here. So there's an opportunity that they might come from here, or even maybe come down along the wood line, down the levee by the pond. I love this blind. The sun might get a little problematic just before it sets, but that's all right. We're going to be quiet and sit here for the evening and see what happens. I don't know if you can see them. I let Matt use my big camera, but there's 5 male cardinals in the picture right now. A couple of them are coming down picking up corn. Should have brought my big camera with me. I think there's enough cloud cover, the sun's not going to be a problem. Wind's blowing perfect right in here. All right, well, it's 5:40, a couple minutes past the end of legal shooting light, and didn't see anything tonight except a pheasant hunter about 10 minutes after sunset walking the property line, and a whole mess of male cardinals. But it was a great day to be sitting in the blind, even if for a short time. And now I'm going to head back up to the barn and see what CJ's got cooking for dinner. We'll close this out up there. Back in the barn. What's up for dinner?
Well, we're prepping some walleye. There's 3.5 pounds of Lake Erie walleye here. My buddy Nomi, he showed me this trick to just use some olive oil and Cajun or Baja shrimp seasoning.
Awesome.
So that's all mixed together, and here shortly we'll get the grill fired up to 350 and grill some of these and then get going on some tacos.
Cool. You got anything to add?
Yeah, cook. Come on, let's go.
Oh, that's grilling up nicely. Fish tacos.
Walleye tacos.
Even better, right?